To print double-sided PDF on Adobe Acrobat. First of all, open up Adobe Acrobat in your device. After that, open up a PDF that you want to print. Once you have opened up your PDF, now navigate to this menu at the top left corner and click on it. From this menu bar, click on Print. Then you will have this pop-up box in your interface where you have to save the settings. So first of all, you have to choose your printer. Click on this drop down, and if you have any external printer connected to your device, you have to choose the printer from here. Now you have to select the number of copies that you want to print, and under that you can choose the presses to print, whether you want to print all pages, current, or some specific pages from the PDF. Now under this section that says choose paper source by PDF size, so just below that you will have another option that says print on both sides of paper, and there you will have two further options to choose from, and there choose slip on long edge, and once you're done, choose the orientation, and then all you can do is click on print, and then the double-sided PDF will be printed. And that's how you can print double-sided PDF on Adobe Acrobat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.